All right, now roll forward. Look at that, problem solved.
There you go. I got it now.
Just
There you go.
so you're not gonna be able to roll off of it because you're gonna go over a rock. So literally you're just gonna have to like dead stop right there.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, go for it. Oh my God, literally at my house. Nice, nice, nice. What is going on, guys? So basically today we're going to be hopefully finishing up the Procharger install on the Mach 1. So finally the PMOS mass airflow sensor came in. I got an air straightener right here for it. We have a couple of couplers because this is like a 3-inch housing and it goes into like a 4-inch or 3.5 inch. I can't really remember. My fuel sending unit, I finally replaced the O-rings on it, so that should not be a problem. We have a coolant sensor, and then this is our power steering cooler delete. So basically I just cut the old factory unit and then we're just gonna be putting the two lines back into each other. So that should be all good. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this. All right, let's see. So basically we're just gonna be looping these two lines right here with this, essentially like that. And hopefully there's enough room. There should be. Ow, okay. That's definitely good. You get a hose clamp, and you get a hose clamp. Wait, right there. All right, now if we're lucky, that won't leak. If we're unlucky, that will leak. Hopefully we're lucky. Hopefully we're more lucky than unlucky. All right, so power steering cooler delete is finished, sorta. I mean, it'll be fine. I basically just kind of shoved it into that little hole right there, and it seems pretty secure. Hopefully these won't leak, but we'll obviously have to check that once we get the car running. All right, so next I think we're gonna be putting the coolant temp sensor in and my fuel sending unit, and hopefully this one does not leak. Here are the screws for that. So it's like super freaking simple. These literally just slide right in just like that. Just a little bit. Tight and tight. Put the vacuum line on and then the connector and bam, changed. Huh?
When Roddy Chatty comes Roddy Lucy.
No, it's not gonna be righty loosey. I am definitely trying to avoid that best I can. I have a history with tightening things too tight. So, and then we got our new coolant sensor here. All right, will you please thread, sir? All right, there you go. I'm gonna assume this is like a 19. Bam! Look at that. All right, dude, this is very easy day so far. Like, this is not really having any issues. Oh, also, we need to put some more oil because, look, my stupid self, I read the back, and it says, like, I through 1 models require 3.2 ounces. And for some reason, I thought that mine was a 1, I don't know what I was thinking, so I only put, like, half the oil in there the other day, obviously off camera. But for those of you that don't know how to put oil in a Procharger, you literally just take a flathead. And why did that have pressure? That's weird. And take this little dipstick out. You know, it actually has its own dipstick. Look at that. Dude. It literally has its own dipstick. Okay, we're just not.
I didn't think it was that long.
Actually, me either. Whenever I first pulled it out, I was like, damn. Just take the cap off and then you just kind of bottle feed it. Like a little baby. Like a little baby, you just kind of squeeze it up in there. At least I hope so. That's how I've been doing it.
Well,
let's see. I don't even know if I'm gonna be required to get any more piping for this, but we're just gonna kind of go with it. So, we gotta connect that pipe to this somehow. We gotta have this side going in first to right here. That's kind of loose. That's not loose. Okay. Actually, that's really loose. I might have to get... I mean, I can probably get away with clamping it. I mean, I'm gonna have to. So...
Is it supposed to be like a straight fit?
I mean, you want it to be a straight fit. You know what I mean? Like, you want it to be pretty tight, but it's not as tight as I want it. You can still rotate and whatnot. And this obviously is gonna have to have a little bit of work done. So I'm gonna get this.
I'll be full bolt on Friday tire.
Full bolt on. Full bolt on. What in the hell is that?
Them Michelins won't be on there too much longer. Get about 3 more months at least.
Oh yeah?
Car is brand new.
Alright. And then connect that up into there. I know you are not going to really be able to see me do this, but I'll show you once I actually get this all situated. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got... Oh dude, that's pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. I still gotta tighten up that bottom clamp right here. And then tighten up all those right there. But other than that, this side should be done. Holy crap, we are basically done. Like, I can actually put the battery back in here and start putting stuff back. Like, holy crap.
Because when I had my Mach 1, I had overheating issues. Took it to the shop many
This car is overheated one time on me after doing a thermostat. Would you not burp it correctly?
I took it to a shop.
And they didn't do it right?
I guess.
Wow.
I guess not.
Wow. All right, guys, so just kind of give you an overview of what we got accomplished today. So we put the coolant sensor on. I fixed my fuel leak right there. And then we actually checked all of our piping. And we now have the mass airflow sensor completely on. As you can see right here, this is the PMOS mass airflow sensor. It's the HPX. So this thing is all sturdy. All the hose clamps are completely tight. Then we have our Lethal Performance mass airflow sensor connector adapter. It's so that you can upgrade from like the slot style or from the factory style, which is like this, you know, and known to be slightly inaccurate, especially whenever there's like turbulence issues down there, into a slot style from like an 05 and up Mustang. So we got that all fixed. All of our piping is secure. All of our PCV is routed. All of our coolant hoses, our Prochargers installed. I got oil in it. Literally all I'm waiting for now is to get the tune file through the email. And then once I get the tune file, then I'll be able to put coolant in this thing, start it up, let it burp, and we'll actually have a startup video. And I'm super excited to hear how this thing sounds because, whoa, this is going to be awesome. It's been like a month and a half since I've driven this car, and I'm super excited. So I'm probably about to actually put the wheels on this thing, as I'm not going to be putting the front bumper back on or the shaker back on until it's tuned, just in case we have any problems with like a piping or hose like blowing off under boost. It'd be a lot easier to actually service it with all this stuff open like this. So I'm gonna put the wheels back on, drop it down, and then kind of close the hood and just kind of see how it looks with the big old intercooler in the front. So also gotta be careful because of the painted calipers. Oh man, I need some more lightweight wheels. These wheels are heavy. All right, guys, that's basically it for today's YouTube video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. The next video is probably going to be getting the email tune and finally starting this thing up. I'm super excited to see how this thing is going to sound, as I'm sure you are, Dylan. So, and hopefully you'll be able to be over here, but we'll see. It'll probably be like a couple days, probably about 2 or 3 days before I actually have that video uploaded. But yeah, until then, that's all I got.